Alright guys, welcome back. We are going to learn how to use the touch command. Touch command like this. Now the touch command is used to create an empty file. If you want to get help, you do --help. Okay, so any command you don't know how to use it, you can just type and get the help like this. You type the command followed by the help. Okay, if I press enter now, it will return the help for this particular command. Now you can see the usage. Update the access and modification times of each file to the current time. A file argument that does not exist is created empty unless -c or -h is supplied. The basic usage of the touch command is to create an empty file. You can see the list of the flags you can include with it. You can read the documentation and apply it if it is applicable to you. Now I'm going to clear the screen. Clear screen. Let's see what we have in the current directory, our CMD tutorial directory. It is blank for now. If I do touch text.txt, it's going to create an empty file. If I press enter now and do ls, do you see it return the empty file? If I do file text.txt, if I press enter, do you see it is empty? You can also use the cat command to display the content of a file. Okay, if I do it, you can see it return an empty because we have not added anything. If I do touch again, say package.json, if I press enter, it created package.json. Let me do ls here. You can see we have two files, package.json and text.txt. If I do file package.json, and what we have is a JSON and it's also an empty file, guys. Okay, it is an empty. The touch command is actually used to create an empty file. If I want to put something inside the text.txt that is already created, I'm going to use echo hello world. So I'm just going to append it to the text.txt. Okay, if you don't know this sign, I have a separate class for it where I'm going to explain this greater sign to append text to the text.txt. Okay, but what you should know is that this symbol here is going to append hello world to the text.txt. If I press enter, if I do cat text.txt, that is, the cat is to cat will print the content of text.txt. You can see I have hello world inside the text.txt. That is how to use the touch command, guys. Thank you for watching this video.